This is the DDPAI N1 Dual, and this is the cheapest dash cam that you can get from DDPAI today. I'm really excited because this has a phone app integrated, as you can see right here. And from the box itself, you can already see it's really premium and it's quality. And this used to be actually around 6,000 Philippine pesos, but I got it for 2,400 since it's on sale right now. So, without further ado, since there's still plastic, let's unbox this thing. Just grab the plastic there. There we go. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. Aha! So we got the plastic off. And here's the box. Look at the matte texture. So from the packaging itself, you can already see it is a quality dash cam. At least compared to others like QCY or EST or the like. So we have this. Look at the box. And there's the app that's available both on the App Store and Google Play Store. So without further ado, let us unbox this. So right out of the box, we can grab this. And you can see, ooh, very, very premium. I like it. So we have this card right here. And then we have the entire kit right here. Let's check out what's in this card first. I think it's the instruction manual together with 2 electrostatic film so that your tint would be safe since you'll be sticking this on the tint. And then you have the user guide. We do have the actual dashcam unit here. And as you can see, it is really premium, powered by DDPAI. And you have a seal for the SD card right here. And then you have the camera right there. This is our reverse camera, or sorry, rear camera. And same thing. So basically, this is the front camera and this is the rear camera. Both have no screens, no displays, because everything is viewable from the app. And yeah, so this one rotates based on the ads I've seen. Yep, so it rotates like that. So once you mount it onto your rear windshield, basically you can rotate it like that. You can also view the inside of your car however you prefer. We have the cable here for the reverse camera, as well as the power cable, USB-C. Then we also have a free USB charger, which I will be using. And we also have this prying tool. So that's it. That's basically the entire box. Let's plug it in there. And then I'll just plug the power bank here. I'm gonna be installing this in another video. There you go. Okay, it's powered on. Hello, DDPAI. I like that. So we are supposed to be connecting it to the app right here. So let's try that out. All right, so we downloaded DDPAI's app, and as you can see, it looks great. So app 8.0, comprehensive visual upgrade, record wonderful moments, we're always on the road, comprehensive guide. Okay, let's experience immediately. Allow. All right, local photo albums here, device. Oh, that's so cool. So I'll set that up later. Now let's click add a device. Device without screen. Next, keep your phone within 2 meters of your device. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 160. There we go. That looks so cool. Okay, we are connected. Allow. Connecting devices. Please wait. Okay, allow full access. Okay, that's cool. Enter device. Storage error, of course, because I didn't. Okay, let's see. Enter device. Oh, this is so cool. Slide right to see playback videos. Got it. Your phone is compatible with videos recorded under this encoding will be clear. Enable. That is so cool. So we have the front center line. And right now it is covered because we have the camera covered here. That's why it's not showing. So let's just check the settings. Startup sound device installation, recording solution. Okay, we have an option to put in 1080p. Microphone recording, rear video recording with audio. When turned off, the device will no longer records sound. Oh, let's turn that on. Timestamp, duration of related video, true sensitivity, driving. No, I'm gonna leave it off because I prefer having it on all the time. G sensor. Okay, so everything seems nice. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, so there's not much that we can do here right now. Local album. We have a beginner's guide. Circuit lighter supply. I really like how well they put everything together. You have an entire guide, and it's really great. The user experience, I love it. That's so cool. Okay, let's stop recording this. Okay, so we were able to test the dashcam out, and we were able to open it and register it. So that's so cool. Okay, when you disconnect it, it sounds like that. It sounds so premium. Okay, first impressions of the dashcam. I could say I am loving it. It is very, very premium. The build quality, it is outstanding. Compared to other brands like QCY, the V12 that cost 2,000 pesos. This one, I got it for 2,400, 2,600. Just add 600 more and you have a high quality dashcam. And the fact that, you know, it's complete, it's a complete package. You have a great quality, you have a great app, you have a complete user guide, you even have this premium quality card and electrostatic film. It's a full deal, it's a full package, and this is their entry-level dashcam. Take note, this is their low-quality dashcam. Now, imagine there are other dashcams that cost around 15,000. I'm in love with DDPAI. Now, I'll probably keep this for 45 years, and then once I'm able to afford a higher quality dashcam, I'm probably gonna get DDPAI's, well, you know, more expensive dashcams. But this is already more than sufficient enough. This is already great. And I'm pretty sure most people would probably buy this because it's affordable. It's affordable, it's high quality, it's great. And you guys should definitely check it out. And, you know, I've been scrolling on Reddit, I've been researching for a great dashcam. Everyone says they've been driving for 10, 15 years and they've been trying different types of dashcams. And everyone says DDPAI's last the longest. And they're one of the most, you know, most reputable brands in the dashcam industry. So I suggest go ahead and purchase your DDPAI dashcam today. And yeah, catch my next video where I'm gonna be installing this dashcam. But technically, I'm gonna be installing it right now, but I'm gonna be releasing the video another day. So yeah, without further ado, it is already 4 p.m. I am excited to install this. So yeah, catch you guys on my next video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.